Hello everyone, it is Keke here, back with another video, and we are getting straight into it. As you can see, my hair is crusty. I have so much buildup at my edges, and it's been about over a month, maybe going on 2 months since I've last washed my hair, and it's getting out of control. So let's head to the wash day and style my hair with me. It's something about a good wash, it just feels so good, and I feel like my hair is reset. But we're going in and of course saturating my hair from root to ends. You can see my product starting to run out. I had so much product buildup from my edges, but we're doing good on the end, so very happy about that. And y'all, the hang time is getting a little serious. I don't know how to act, okay? Not me being able to grab the bag now. Like, look, we're here. We're here. Every time I wash, I have to do a link check, but I'm going in with TPH's So Lengthy Strengthening and Lengthening shampoo, and this is my favorite shampoo. Look at how good this lathers on the first wash. And I don't know what it is about this shampoo, but it feels so velvety smooth, if that makes sense. It's just so good. It clears up any buildup I have, and it leaves my hair feeling so soft and just reset and moisturized. But of course my lens wouldn't let me be great, so I finished my routine off camera. But don't worry, I'll be filming a more in-depth wash day soon. Hey y'all, it's Keke here. Welcome welcome back to another video. We're gonna attempt to do some more heatless curls, but this time we're gonna be doing something a little different. So in my last video, if you saw that, if you know, someone recommended using a headband, and I actually don't have a headband. I didn't feel like leaving the house, so I have a scrunchie. Right after my last video, I did some research and I came across a beautiful woman by the name of Boden, and she did a tutorial with a headband. But since I don't have a headband, I'm gonna be using this scrunchie. This is from YGN. I've tried it on and it actually fits pretty good. It's like an oversized scrunchie. So I'm gonna use this, and she sat in line, so that makes it even better. Yes, I had to do my edges because look, it was getting a little too intense. They was out of control. So I've tried to stop doing them in between my sessions, but sometimes when I stretch them a little bit further, yes, we're gonna do them. So I'm using the same mousse as last time because I did not buy another one yet. But first, I'm gonna go in and oil my scalp because I haven't done that yet. I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit again. Got my water. Especially my scalp. And this is my Jamaican Mango and Lime Black Castor Oil. I just put it in this applicator bottle, so it makes it a little bit easier. And I'm gonna just go all around my scalp. Ooh. Something when that oil hit the scalp is just something. I don't know, it's something about it. Okay, and just massage that in. Oh, that feels great. Get into the hang time, peeps. Who are we? I can't say when she get down my back anymore because baby, she's there. Come summer next year, you're not about to know who I am. Man, I cannot imagine. Okay, that feels great. We're going in with Lion Locs Lock and Moisturizer. Still, this has been used since the beginning days. Can y'all believe it's been 4 years? It'll be 4 years on October 12th. I cannot believe that. I'm just putting that all over my hair. And like before I washed my hair, y'all, my hair was so dry. I was not moisturizing her like I should be. I was just waking up and going, but you know what? It's all right because she's doing great. She's doing excellent. She looking thick, okay? All right, that feels great. Okay, look like I got a little blunt cut. I haven't even trimmed my ends. It's been like well over 6 months, so that's great. Going in with my mousse and just applying that. Is that not such a satisfying sound when the mousse comes out? I don't know, I just love it. My hair is damp this time. It's not dry, so hopefully these curls will take. I really hope this works because y'all, I've been dying for some curls, but I don't want to put rollers all over my head. Y'all know me and rollers do not agree. They just don't. Gosh, this feels so good. I don't want to lose sleep. From Boden, it looked very quick, very easy. It didn't look like you would have a painful sleep. Hopefully, that will be the outcome for me. It's crazy too, because like when I first started my journey, I did not expect my hair to look like this. We've had a great journey, I can say. I am proud. Okay, I feel like everything is pretty much saturated. So how she had it was brushing the hair down like this in the front. Okay, y'all, I really hope this works. Not me looking like the Ring, hello. Scalp is moisturized and ends are as well. So I'm just putting this on like a crown. And it's not tight, I like that. What I may do is just wrap the excess kind of like within itself like this. So she did a part. Shout out to you, Jovacaine, because you have helped me out a ton. Okay, so she grabbed a section and twisted it like this. Ooh, let me make sure the whole thing is twisted because we want all of it to curl. And then wrapped it around like so. Oh, y'all, I think this is gonna be so good. I hope so. Some of these might be twisted to keep those flyaways from, you know, because I got one right there. So I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like I've been talking y'all heads off, but I like talking to y'all. I hope y'all like me talking too. Y'all, I can say I am so pleased right now. This is no tension, okay? I made sure that my edges are not pulled tight. I know I'm only halfway through almost, but I am very excited about this. And this is giving like a cute crown. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so it's the next morning and my hair is still intact. I did sleep with my satin bonnet. These are the results. Still in really good condition. No slip outs, no nothing. Very excited to see how these results are gonna look. Now, my sleep, y'all know how I feel about my sleep. The sleep still was not great. However, it wasn't as bad as last time, so I can deal with that. And plus, this style saved me a ton of time. I didn't have to roll my entire head and I still got an okay sleep. And also, another thing that I really like about doing this method is that this is a style within itself. If I really didn't want to take this out right now, I wouldn't have to worry about it. However, I do want the curls, but yes, you can keep this like this for a couple days. It's like a really nice twisted halo braid that I've never done before. So I think it's pretty cool and it's very secure. Yeah, I'm very excited to see the results. So let's go ahead and get into it. We got a little something, you see that? I don't know about a curl, but we're gonna have something. I don't know. It's dry, so maybe we'll have like some loose curls or something like that. Okay, you see the wave, there's a little wave in there. Well, let's keep going. I don't know, Oh, please. Let me have something. Hair is still pretty much, ooh. That's a little wet still, y'all. The end is a little wet still. Okay, I got something going on. Okay, y'all know I love a good side swoop. So we got a little bit of definition. Okay, just a little bit. We got something. So I can say that this was not a fail. I do wish that these would have done a little bit more back here, but you know what? It's okay. We got a little something more than my typical straight locks, so I can dig it. Yeah, the layers definitely took, but the longer pieces did not. So it's all good. But would I try it again? I probably would. Maybe this time with an actual headband instead of, I mean, I folded this up in itself, so it's still like the same size technically, but I don't know. Maybe I'll try a headband next time and see what that does. But yeah, I still can dig the results. I like it. It's giving me a little something different. Shout out to Jovacaine for her video. If y'all have not seen it, be sure to check it out. But that is where I got this inspiration from. Have you tried this before? And let me know what you think about the results. As always, if you haven't already done so, I really do encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe. And also turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future content. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.